Hello, Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Today we're making, actually my dinner, a chicken Hail Caesar wrap. Okay, we are making Hail Caesar wraps today on tomato basil wraps. I got a nice hot grill pan over here, okay? I'm gonna throw the wrap on here. I'm gonna heat it on one side, heat it on the other side really quick, and then we're going to put the ingredients in it, and we're going to wrap it. Now, the reason why we're heating it up a little bit, you shouldn't use that. I got a spatula here. See, it already gave a little mark on the grill, a little heat. It's easier to wrap. It won't break as easily, okay? Now, I've got all my other ingredients ready. And once again, this is my dinner. I think I was telling you that earlier. So, I got a little romaine dressing. I like to put some stuff in it. I got a little cabbage in there, little carrots. But that's romaine, which is classic with Caesar. I got some roast chicken I chopped up we had the other night, and I can use it now for my lettuce wrap. And you know what's great about wraps? You can put anything in a wrap. You can put cold cuts, you can put salads, but I want to tell you this, a salad is a wrap. A wrap is a salad. They're interchangeable. So now I'm going to put a little bit of Romano and Parmigiana. That's what I got in there so far, see? Now, I'm going to put a little Caesar dressing, which I made prior. About a teaspoon, all right? Then we're going to do my favorite. We talked about this the other day. Shake it up salads. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. I shook up the salad. It's nice and distributed on the lettuce, and the chicken is distributed, okay? Now, I don't want to overfill the wrap. This is very important. I want to make sure that I leave at least 2 inches all the way around so I can actually wrap the wrap without breaking it, okay? And I'm going to turn it so I can show you how to do it. I would like to put a little tomato in here. I have some tomatoes. I sliced them pretty thin, okay? Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the sides in, okay? This is very important. Then I'm going to roll it over, and I'm holding the front sides with my fingers like that. See? It's not hard. And then I'm going to take my other fingers, I'm going to press it in, and don't rush this. Just do it. Okay, there we go. There's my Hail Caesar wrap. And then I like to cut it on a bias. You can cut it in half like that, but I like to cut it on the bias because it looks prettier on the plate. Anyway, there we go. That's Hail Caesar chicken Caesar salad wraps today on Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Stay tuned for Chef Michael's next Chef Michael's Food Hacks.
Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.